Someone who's never seen the Networking Symposium, what I would say is it's a way for students and alumni to come together to learn about careers, make networking contacts, and get better jobs and internships.
As a student, it's a chance for you to come in and develop your networking skills, a chance to listen to other young alums, older alums. It kind of gives you a perspective of where you are, where you want to go with your career.
Just the amount that alumni are willing to give back and to set up those who are currently in school with positions and opportunities outside of school.
You come here and you meet different people, and it's people from all different backgrounds, and you can kind of see who they are.
The Networking Symposium helped land me in DC. I actually networked with an alumni here, and she got me my internship for a government contracting company for the Department of Defense.
The speakers and the sessions that they sponsor are very beneficial. If you're looking for an internship program, if you're looking for potential opportunities once you graduate.
I would say definitely come. The more information that you can get about the opportunities that are out there for underclassmen, the better. Just to get an idea of who's offering what and where you might fit in.